organizational structure over there, right? So organizational structure is like for example, it is five basic kind of organizational structures we have it, right? So according to the Mintzberg, so how many structure we have it? First is called entrepreneurial organization structure. You have your own organization, you have your own startup. Okay, so this is one of the structure over there. Second is called machine bureaucracy. Machine bureaucracy means like office is like managed by the different machines, or like by the different computers, or so we call it a machine bureaucracy. The third one is called divisionalized bureaucracies. So there are some units in a bureaucracy or in offices. Bureaucracy means, bureau means office. Like we call it office. What do you call in Arabic? Office. Forgot it. Yes, Ahmed Shaki.
مكتب.
Maktab. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Maktab. Okay. So maktab machine. Maktab. Maktab is maktab divisionalized. Divisionalized means some units. You have different units. For example, sales units, marketing units, so different units over there, and professional bureaucracy over there, and adhocracy over there. Adhocracy means like ad hoc crazy, like not temporary offices over there. So these are the five structure according to the Mintzberg. Okay, so information system often reflects the organizational structure over there. So organizational structure, they often reflect the organizational structures over there, right? For example, whatever information systems you create, accordingly it will showing you the information structure, that from where the information flows from one department to another department, and from the higher authority to the lower authority. So information system will tell you that how the information is flowing from up to down and from left to right. Okay, so it will tell you that how the information is flowing, and this flow of information will tell you that what is a what is the structure of your organization. So this flow of information will tell you the structure of your organization over there.